I noticed some Discord conversation. This came up in CueCam suggestions from Philippe. Philippe says, I'd love to have a persistent whiteboard overlay. And so that when he writes notes and goes aside, when he comes back, the notes don't disappear. And he gave an excellent little Loom video of the problem or what he'd like to see. Let's first look at creating a blank board. Here, right click. Here's the blank board. We'll set it up. It comes in from the side and we can adjust its size. So all the way across, and I can do something with my little guy and smile and eyes. And let's say he's going this way. So it's sort of a great thing to do, but I'd like to go aside. And the aside is a little different than we're used to. And when it comes back blank. So that's the issue. And I wanted to give some ideas on what to do with just one card. Doing a card changes the dynamic. So I'm going to create a new card here, and I need to put up text, or I use under the text download this spacer, up and down arrow together, and that creates a blank board. And that blank board comes in from the other side, but I can adjust it. Doesn't go all the way across when it's in the left here. And so let me create a new card, and I'm going to do the same thing as far as that spacer. But in this case, I'm not going to have it coming in from the left. I'm going to have it in the middle. And that takes the whole card. And if I remove my image, I'm now gone. So let's create a new card after that, and we'll come back. So let's see how these play when I go into presentation mode. Now I'm in presentation mode and I can walk through my deck, and here I can produce a little drawing with my guy, and he's going to be going that way, and I can move him aside, and when he's aside he's down there, and I bring him back, and there he is. So this aside from a card gets that picture back when you come back to the main camera. But what happens if we want to go full screen? So this is the card that I pulled all the way across to the screen. I'll put the guy there, and he's very happy. And off he goes. And I'm going to do a side there, and there we have a full aside capability with the illustration.